Easy lamb and black bean burgers. Everyone loves a good burger recipe, and these delicious lamb and black bean burgers are no exception. Start by rinsing and draining the black beans, placing half the black beans in a medium bowl and use a fork to coarsely mash. Next, add the lamb mince and the remaining whole beans to the bowl. Season with salt and pepper and stir until combined. Divide the lamb mixture into 4 portions and using your hands, shape each portion into a 10 cm patty. Heat a large barbecue grill or char grill over medium-high. Cook the patties for about 5 minutes each side or until cooked through. Transfer the patties to a clean plate. Next, toast the buns on the grill until light golden. Place the bun bases on serving plates and spread with the beetroot hummus. Top with the patties, salad, more beetroot hummus and the bun lids. Then it's time to enjoy. Try this mouth-watering burger recipe for an easy midweek meal.